Start. I have every sympathy with the authors who in this country live under very difficult circumstances, but we have also to consider the interests of posterity, the future generations, full stop. We must consider the interests of our society in general, full stop. If we think of the authors only and make this right to coextensive with the term of the copyright, what would be the result? Question mark. Probably, the authors may gain, but it will be detrimental to the general interests of the society, full stop. I am therefore satisfied with the amendment which has been moved by my honorable friend, full stop. It meets the interests of the authors, it also meets the interests of the general public, full stop. We have to reconcile the conflicting interests, full stop. Now, Professor Rao raised an interesting point with regard to the reassignment of the copyright of a publication, full stop. It is quite true that in this country, authors, under very difficult circumstances, sometimes, part with their work for practically nothing, full stop. They are being exploited by the publishers, full stop. There is no denying that fact, and it was with this in view that in the original bill, the government put forward a proposal that after a period of 7 years, the author could get back the copyright, full stop. This question was very thoroughly examined in the joint committee, and there were representatives in it of the various interests, including the authors themselves, full stop. The committee felt that if this provision for the reassignment of the copyright to the author was accepted, it would work against the interests of the authors themselves, full stop. The argument was that the publisher in the earlier stages makes an investment, full stop. He spends some money on advertisement, full stop. When a book is published, in order to capture the market, the publisher has to spend some money for 2 or 3 years, and just when it becomes popular and brings him a good return, the author will come to him and say, look here, will you please return this book to me, question mark. If the publisher is so uncertain about the future of the book, if the publisher is always uncertain about his publication, and if he knows that after a period of 7 years he is not going to get any return on the investment he has made, do you think that any publisher would even take any interest in pushing that book in the market, question mark. After all, business is business and publishing is a business, and we should not ignore this hard reality. Full stop. As I said, comma, I have my full sympathies with the authors, but at the same time, comma, we must remember that without the help of the publishers, comma, the interests of authors will not be promoted. Full stop. Overall.